Hi, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ursula. Good morning.
Good morning. So, how are you? Everything's good?
Yes, everything is good.
That's good to hear. Okay. I think we are early, so we have 5 more minutes until everybody's
Yes,
supposed to
yes, yes.
show up. Yeah. So, how was yesterday? Everything went smoothly?
Yes, everything went smoothly. I covered all the required content and more than that also.
Okay.
But there is only three people who are regularly attending that, and other people are off and on. They are coming and going, no,
Yeah.
for
I
their meetings and everything, no.
I know, but that's their problem, not
Uh,
yours, not mine. The company pays for the training, so if they don't make sure that they can attend all the time, so it's okay. So they have the recording and they can uh, check everything later what they didn't attend to. So anyway,
yes, yes.
yeah, that's good. So I did send out the recording from yesterday to everybody, and I saw a couple people already did download it, so we are on track.
Great, great, fine.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So, okay, then let's be
We-
patient and wait a couple more minutes.
Sure, sure, sure.
I listened to your training in the very beginning and I found it very interesting. Unfortunately, I could not stay longer because I had other commitments with Germany, but it's really
Okay.
very interesting, yeah, what possibilities we have. I know Office,
Yes.
all the, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, no problem, but, to combine these things with, yeah, this Power Automate, it's very interesting, yeah.
Yes, it is. It is.
So,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. So, okay.
Okay.
Hi, Dan. Good morning.
Good morning.
So how are you? How was the training yesterday? Did you
It was
like it?
very good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
I'm
Yeah,
learning quite a bit. It's nice.
that's okay. And I guess we are all learning even more today.
Yes.
Just waiting for the it's 9:30. Okay, so then you are on time. JP is on time. Oh, and Palash is on time. Okay. So we
Hi, hi.
hi
I don't
hi
know.
Palash.
Today I was not able to join. Yeah,
No, no,
hi. Good morning.
no, no. It's good. So even if it's 9:30 and we thought it's better for everybody because the excuse is always, oh, we are so much used to start at 9, but okay, we give them a couple more minutes. Otherwise, then you get an exclusive training just for you. No, I'm sure the other ones are showing up. Oh, there's Rachel. Good morning, Rachel.
Good morning.
Okay. So I suggest we wait 2 more minutes and JP, then we start. It doesn't matter who is there and who's not. So we wait until 5 minutes after 9:30 and then we start the training.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning, Jilmas. Good morning, James.
Good morning.
Okay, good. So I would say, JP, it's up to you. Start the training, and I'm sure a couple more are going to join us within the next minutes, but please start the training, and to everybody who's here, enjoy the second day of our training. And as yesterday, everything is getting recorded, and I send out the recordings tomorrow. Okay, so enjoy.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. So,
Morning.
good morning. Guys, I hope you enjoy the first day. And if you have any doubts, any query related to the day one, you can ask me now. We'll discuss that first, then we'll come to the second day topic. Yes, guys, I hope you learn practically everything in the first day. That's okay from Dan. That's great. That's great.
First session was pretty cool.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Great, guys. So let's set up the agenda for today. I'm sharing my screen and I'm coming with the course content that is given to me to execute. So I hope we have covered all the points of day one yesterday, guys. I think yes. We have discussed with you yesterday also. I'm just connecting my other device so that I can see the chats and the other reactions because I shared my entire screen. So this is the day one. We have covered that. This is the day two that we are going to cover. We are going to cover how to create, send an email when a new SharePoint entry will be there, how we can automate when we add a new file in the drive, how we can do the changes when we modify the SharePoint list. We'll work on schedule flow. We work on the button flow already, so many button flow, but I'm going to use a template for that also. So this is what for the day two and the information shared with me additionally to that content. So I have to work on sending email to the SharePoint list. I already covered yesterday. Schedule update to the SharePoint data. And I have already covered this one. No, I'll cover that. I cover only the not added one. Added one I'll cover. Update one I'll cover. I hope I have covered the expression in a date, how to create a variable. I have covered already yesterday. How to use a condition. I have covered here yesterday. How to use a logic and flow. I have covered yesterday, guys. What do you say, guys? I have covered this one. Okay. So my second screen is on. I can see your expression in chats. No, if you give a thumbs up or something. So guys, these are the two topics that we need to cover along with this data. So guys, this is our target for day two. If anything else you want me to add, I can do that. If anything what other than you expect. Yes, guys. Please let me know. Looks like good for Rachel. I think Dan is okay with that. What about others? Yes, guys, I hope you are okay with that. We can continue with this one. Great. So one interesting thing that for SharePoint, are you able to do practical? Do you have access of that SharePoint today, or we have to do all the things as a demonstration? Yes, guys. Yes, Rachel, can you tell me? I think Okay, demonstration, Rachel. This all will be demonstration. Fine, fine. So no worries for that. Let's start with the next one and work with that. Rachel is typing something. Rachel, do you want to add something?
Nope, I'm all set.
Okay, done. So we will start that one and I'll minimize this. And I open again my environment that is PowerAutomate.microsoft.com. So this is my cloud. I'll go there. I click on the sign in and I'll be in with my Power Automate environment. Fine. So I'll just check my flow. So these are all the flow that we have covered yesterday, along with so many examples. And now I'll discuss one more thing. I click on to this button. I'll open a SharePoint. I'll go to a site sample test. Here is my list. I can see the list here. So we have a list available here. Allow me a minute. Yes. We have an Excel list. So this is my list. We have 10 records here in that list. Now, guys, whenever you are going to add something into that, like this first one, send email if data added to the SharePoint list. So we are going to start that. How can we do that? We'll come here. We'll come to the new flow and this flow will be an automated flow because instant flow required a button click and automated flow is an automation automatically whenever some trigger is happen. So I'm coming with the automated cloud flow. OK, so I'm coming here. My flow name is SharePoint add item in list. So that's what I'm looking for. So we have all the triggers here. So when item is created, we have when a new response, it's a Microsoft form we discussed yesterday. So we'll come here. I said skip off now because I'll decide later. It is not mandatory to work on that. So click on skip. It will come here. You can choose from here. That is also possible. So I'm saying SharePoint. It's coming. So in the SharePoint, we have so many items. When an item is created, when an item is deleted, fine. When file is deleted, when item of the file is modified, there were so many options. No, you can see that. So my requirement is when an item is created. It says fine, we'll do that, but you need to tell me the site. So I'll pick up the site and I'll pick up the employee list because I need to work on employee list. I'll work on an employee list. And then what you need to do, you can work on that. I click on a new step. Fine. So by looking at this value, can you tell me what we need to do when a SharePoint item is added? What is the action I need to perform? Quickly, guys, sending an email. So sending an email, which is very common for you now. You can just type a mail and you can click on this. That's great. The next one is you can write a send an email. Click on to what? Add a dynamic content. Whatever email is added, write an email to that. Subject. Welcome the name, your account, find right, hi, with your name, your account has been created with number, put a serial number, and points. Write a points here. What is the point? I need to write here the amount. That's it. We'll just do that. So I click on to this. Send email when new item created in the list. Done. Save it. So it's created here. So I just expecting the email to be fired. Again, for that, I need to open my this one. There is an Hotmail. This is an Hotmail. I think this is not required. I already logged in. Coming here. Minimize. Come this. And I need to add it. To add an item in the list, we need to click on Edit a grid. So I click on Edit a grid. OK. Add a new item is here. So I will write here P11. The name is JP. And email ID, I am using my email ID as a jpsingh.net@hotmail.com with the amount of 30,000 and with today's date. Today is 13. Done. It's done. So you can see that the item is created. You can come to the exit to the grid. My record is added here. Now I'm waiting for some mail if it is coming. Just check the logic. I'm on the right track. I have added right email. Oh, it's working. It will take some time, but it is working. Welcome, JP, your account. And when you come here, your account is created with this number of code and the points is this much, which we added. We can access that. Guys, I hope you can understand. It is similar to the Excel when you add something in Excel. So how you can practice this? You can change it from this one to an Excel data list. So you come here with this, pick up an Excel and go to where we're not Excel, pick up SharePoint. No, not SharePoint, OneDrive. Come with the My Files list. So you add a value here, which we did yesterday, and send a mail. Try this. Have you done this yesterday? Please try this now. I just wanted to know whether you are aware with that. Instead of this, you have to choose an Excel file and send a mail. Okay, you did with that. Yes. Great. So I think, yes, I forget that. We have done yesterday, I think that one. So guys, this is clear to all. Quickly, guys, your thumbs up will help me to understand. Your chat message will help you. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you, Dan. James, are you clear with that? I think everyone is clear. We can go ahead with the next one. So I'm just mapping so that we will not derail. So fine, I'll work on that. I'll mark this. So this is done. Now, I think this is also done. This is the same thing that is in the content. Create a new item on SharePoint list, send an email. So it's a similar thing. We have covered this, create a new item in SharePoint list. Then we need a change a record or item in a SharePoint list. So the updation should be given to the concerned person that, okay, this is updated. So I'll work on that. I'll come back. So come here, guys. I am coming with the my flow, new flow, and again an automated, again a skip. I will decide here. Then I'm writing here SharePoint. Okay, when an item is created or modified. So whenever a new item is created or modified, you can work on that. When an item is deleted, you can work on that. So action is fine there. No. So this is a good choice, taking an item or created or modified. So I click on that. Again, the similar thing will be asked. Again, it will pick up the list. A new step. Write an email. Send an email. So send an email to the person. Subject is updation record updated. Fine, record updated. So hi with your name. Record updated with new information, and that information is that serial number is this, that name is this. Maybe you are not allowed to use something. Your email is now updated with this, and amount is updated with this, and date is updated with the date. Now, guys, this is interesting, and I click on to this. Update email for SharePoint data. Click on that. It's working. So make it save. This is the one thing which we have. So I just quickly go to the SharePoint, click on to the edit. So I am making a change in P2. So I am making the change here. I am writing here name. Rachel with some amount change. That's it. So I click on to the exit grid. Great. So new record is updated and then waiting for email. We'll just wait for a few seconds. We'll get an updated information here. Can we refresh? Sometime it will take 1 or 2 minutes to, oh, maybe 1 minute to receive an email. Oh, I got the mail. Great. So can you see this? New informations are coming, guys. Whenever you update the SharePoint list, you will get a mail. So this is how we can easily do that. Now, coming on to the how we can try that. So I'm coming here. I'm coming here. And I'm saying, OK, new automated flow. Skip that. Excel Online. No, it is not. Oh. So I'm coming with an action. So that action is update a row. So it can update a row also here. You can try this also from here. Whenever something happens, you can try this whenever you get time. So guys, I hope you are clear with that. I can see your thumbs up earlier. So this is, I request you one thing, guys. You can do one small thing here. Although recording is happening, everything is happening. I request you, please take a screenshot of that so that you can save it somewhere in your screen, and maybe this will help you to recall that. So take a quick screenshot of that. Okay, now I request you to take a